Okay, so this problem says women's heights are normally distributed with a mean of 63.8 and a standard deviation of 2.5. A social organization for tall people has a requirement that women must be at least 69 inches tall. What percentage of women meet this requirement? For this, we're going to be doing a normal distribution. So we're going to use the normal CDF function. And then we need to enter our lower and our upper bound to be at least 69. That's 69 inches or greater. So we're going to do 69, 1,000, or 10,000 with a mean of 63.8. And a standard deviation of 2.5. Now, you might just get the normal CDF equation coming up on your calculator. So if that's the case, you're just going to need to type in 69, comma, 1,000 or 10,000, comma, 63.8, comma, 2.5. And then we work that out, and it gives us this. And it wants a percentage, so we need to times that by 100, right? Since it wants a percentage, that's why we multiply by 100. So rounding 2 decimal places, it would be 1.88.